welcome to Student Meals! So today we're going to do something different. This will be a test episode of a new series we potentially are going to air called Guest Hands. So the concept basically is that we will invite a friend, a family member, a colleague, and maybe in the future some YouTubers to make their favorite recipe for the camera. Also, we're going to do this in the same style as our regular episodes, so it's easy for you to follow and fun for us. As I said before, this is a test episode, so let us know what you think in the comment section below, and if you guys liked it, we're going to make it into a series. So now I'm going to introduce to you our first guest.
Hello, I'm Geraldine and today I'm gonna make a vegan lentil curry.
Yes, let's do this!
Excited! So the ingredients are 1 onion, 2 bell peppers.
Don't you mean capsicums?
Or 2 capsicums. A little bit of ginger, a little bit of garlic and coriander finely chopped. If you prefer, you can always use coriander powder and use this as a decoration then. Lentils, 400 grams is enough. This is a bag of 450 grams. 3 teaspoons of roasted curry powder, 3 teaspoons of unroasted curry powder, 200 milliliter of coconut milk, 1 lime at the end that you use for extra flavor, some water, a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt, and finally some olive oil. So what we need for the vegan lentil curry is a large pot like this. You can turn the stove on medium fire. Then you put olive oil in your large pot, just like a little bit. Then you add your onion. So you stir a little bit in the pot. Then you add the 2 bell peppers together with the onion. Then you stir again. Leave it a little bit for some seconds while you take your spices. Add a little bit more of olive oil that you don't let it burn. Very important. Stir again. And now you can add the spices. So we have the roasted curry powder, the unroasted curry powder. Stir again, so the spices are everywhere. Then you add your ginger and garlic, a little bit of the coriander leaves. At the end you can use them as a decoration. And then you stir it all together. If you see that it's cooking slow, you can always put the fire a little bit higher and leave it cook for like 2 minutes or something. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the ginger. It's a really nice flavor, but if you don't like it because it's too strong, you don't have to add more. You can add your water. And then it's really important that while you're adding your lentils, you have to keep stirring, otherwise it will burn. And then you just keep stirring because the water will go away slowly, and then you just add more water while you're stirring. Now I'm gonna turn the stove a little bit higher so you see the water is going away, so I'm gonna add some more. So it's important that the lentils stay underwater so that they can cook. So you cook it between 30 and 45 minutes. Just keep an eye on it because the moment that your lentils are coming up, you have to add some more water. So you see the lentils coming up again, just add a little bit of water like this and then stir again. So keep stirring and don't let it burn. I'm gonna add some more roasted curry powder just for some extra flavor. You can always add more if you want, and especially when you like spicy food. Then we add some salt. And now I'm gonna taste if it's ready or not. So it tasted really good. You just have to leave it on for like another 10 minutes or something. And then it will be done. So after 20 or 30 minutes, it's done. I tasted it again, so it's good. Now we're gonna add the coconut milk to make it more mushy. 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 Then you stir again. I'm gonna add a little bit more. If you really like coconut milk, you can always add another one. But it's your choice. You choose. Coconut milk. Oh my god. So if it's too watery, you just cook it a little bit longer. So for me it's done. You turn the stove off. I'm just gonna add a little bit of lime for extra flavor. So you just squeeze a little bit. If it works. Squeeze harder.
That's what she said.
Ah, yeah. And then for the last time, you stir everything together, and then you can serve. So it's done. I serve it with rice, but you can choose if you want to eat it with flatbread or naan bread. You choose whatever you want. Enjoy! So the amount that I used was for approximately 6 persons.
Time for a test. Let's do this. I'm so curious.
I like
really good. I like it too. It's not too spicy, but it's a bit spicy. It's really good.
It's a vegan dish, but everyone can eat it, so
It's vegan.
vegan.
Also, I think because it's vegan, so there's no meat or fish, but it still feels like it can really fill me up. So very
Definitely.
nice. Thank you. So Geraldine, if people want to follow you or if they want to see more of you, is there anywhere where they can find you on the internet?
They can always follow me on my Instagram profile that you can see here.
Check it out.
Yay!
So, this was our first tryout and episode of Guest Hands. I really had such a good time filming with you. Thank you.
Me too, thank you.
And you guys, if you liked it, give us a like or feel free to give your feedback in the comment section below. Tell us what you thought about it and maybe, if you liked it, we'll turn it into a series.
Yay!
So, as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye! Bye!
Yay.
Was dat goed?
Ja.
Yay! Dank u wel! Het is echt mega lekker
het is
trouwens.
leuk. Ja, het is zeker.
Ja.
It's my time to shine.
Moment.
Ja, maar mensen willen... Juicy.
And
To add some more flavor.
yeah, okay. So sweet, Geraldine. Is there anywhere else
Jesus
where...
Christ,
Wat?
er nog fakers in. What the fuck?
Dat is wel niet fake, hè?
Geraldine.
Maar dat is wel niet fake, hè? Dat is wel oprecht, hè?
Super fake.
Nee, dat is oprecht.
Nee, het is niet waar.